Wait for a minute. I'm sharing my screen with you. Okay. Can you see my screen? Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, so what do you see on your screen? Who'll tell me from you? Not Hingola, Hingoli. Hmm? A letter from Hingoli. So this is our study tool 1.4 here. Okay. In our previous lecture, we have started to this lesson here. Am I right now? So before going to see the explanation of this letter here, so who'll tell me from you what did we see or what did we learn to our previous lecture about this lesson? Who'll tell me from you? What things did you understand from our previous lecture? Very good. Yeah, how to write letter or how letter is written. Okay. Next thing, formal, informal. What are these? These are the types of letters. Am I right now? These are the types of letter, formal and informal letter. Am I right? Okay, good. So what type of this letter is? What type of this letter is? What type of this letter is? A letter from Hingoli. What type of this letter is? Whether it is formal or informal? So it is an informal letter. Okay. The last time I have told you the difference between these two types of letters, formal and informal letter, how formal letter is written and how informal letter is written here. So while writing these two types of letters, so we'll have to follow the steps here. Yeah, yeah, it is also called official letter, formal letter. Okay, and to whom we write this informal letter, can you tell me? To our relatives, aunts, uncles, friends, parents. No, no, no. Wait, 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 wait. I'm not asking you about that. Tejas Avdut here. Okay. To whom we write this letter, informal letter. So informal letter is written to our maternal uncle, maternal aunt. Okay. Grandfather, grandmother, parents, our relatives, and friends here. Okay. So I hope all of you understood the difference between these two types of letter, and the letter is informal letter. Okay. So what kind of this letter is? It is an informal letter here. So from where this letter is written? From where this letter is written? Oh, Changoli, Hingoli, not Changoli, Hingoli. Huh? So this letter is written from Hingoli. And who has written this letter? Who has written this letter? Can you tell me? Huh? Who has written this letter? Raman. Raman has written this letter. Yeah, Raman has written this letter. To whom? Whom did Raman write this letter? Sanju Mama. Okay, okay. So if I ask you who is the sender of this letter, then what will you say? Are you getting my question? What I'm asking to you? Listen to me. Who is the sender of this letter? Sender. Sender means who? A person who writes and sends a letter to somebody is called sender. Okay. Who is the sender of this letter? Raman is the sender of this letter. And who is the receiver of? Let me finish my sentence. Yeah, who is the receiver? Okay, okay. Who is the receiver of this letter? Sanju Mama is the receiver of this letter. Okay. So when does listen to me, when does Raman write this letter? When does Raman write? 15. Okay, so Raman, who is the sender of this letter, he has written this letter to his Sanju Mama who lives in Sagroli here, and he writes this letter to Sanju Mama on 9th of June 2015. From which place? From Hingoli. So therefore from therefore this title has been given to this letter, a letter from Hingoli, so that Raman who lives in Hingoli, and when he reached Hingoli, so immediately he write this letter to his Sanju Mama who lives in Sagroli. Here somebody's microphone is on, so please turn off your microphone. Okay. So therefore this title has been given to this lesson here, a letter from Hingoli. मग हिंगोलीहून लिहिलेलं हे पत्र आहे. Okay. So now let's see what does that Raman write in this letter. Okay. So now let's see the first paragraph of the letter. Soham Shevale. Can you hear me? So can you read out the first paragraph of the letter? Yeah. Not reached. Reached. How to pronounce this word? I have reached. Reached. Yeah. Uh-huh. Un- Unforgettable. Wait. So the pronunciation of this word is unforgettable. Yeah. Unforget. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Good. This is the first paragraph of the letter. So what does that Raman write in this letter? Let's see. Okay. So he writes here, I have reached Hingoli. I have reached Hingoli means who reached Hingoli? Raman. Raman reached Hingoli. Reached means what? In Marathi, what do we say? Huh? पोहोचणे. Reached means पोहोचणे. Oh, okay. So listen to me. This is the past tense of reach here. Okay. हा भूतकाळी, हे भूतकाळी रूप आहे reach. Reach म्हणजे काय? पोहोचणे. And reached means पोहोचला. Okay. So that Raman, he has reached Hingoli. Okay. So that Raman who lives in Hingoli. Okay. So when he reached Hingoli, so immediately he write this letter to his Sanju Mama. Okay. So therefore Sanju Mama is the receiver of this letter. Okay. So he writes this letter to his Sanju Mama who lives in Sagroli. Okay. So then he writes next here, how wonderful were the days we spent at Sagroli. Okay. So that Raman, he had summer vacation. Okay. And he spent all his summer vacation, summer holidays at Sagroli. uh, so therefore when he reached Hingoli, so immediately he writes this letter to his uncle, dear Sanju Mama. Okay. So he writes here, how wonderful were the days we spent at Sagroli. Okay. So he spent all his summer vacation at Sagroli. So therefore he talks about those days here. The days were wonderful. You know wonderful? What does it mean wonderful? Wonderful means what? So all these days were सुंदर किंवा आपण त्याला मनमोहक वगैरे म्हणतो. ओके. सो he writes or he talks about the days that he spent at Sagroli here. So the days were wonderful and he spent at Sagroli. Spent means what? Spent means what? So here the meaning is त्यांनी ते दिवस जे होते spent म्हणजे घालवले त्या ठिकाणी. Okay. So all these days were wonderful that he spent at Sagroli. Okay. And then again he writes the next year, unforgettable moments. Unforgettable moments here. Okay. You know unforgettable means what? The moments that cannot forget, that is called unforgettable moment. न विसरणारे आपण त्याला म्हणू शकतो. The moments that we cannot forget here, so it is called unforgettable moments. Moments means what? Moments means what? Kshan. Okay. So all these moments were unforgettable that Raman, she spent at Sagroli here. So the days were wonderful and all those moments were unforgettable. So these are all unforgettable moments for that Raman here. So that's why he's writing about those moments. Those moments were unforgettable. So look at this word, students, here, unforgettable. If I ask you, can you find out the smaller hidden words from this word unforgettable? Small words are hidden. Table, very good. Next one. Yeah. For, very good. For. Get, very good. Okay. Okay. Huh? Able, very good. Okay. So students, these words are hidden in this word unforgettable here. The words are like for, get, table, able. Okay. Have you got it? Okay. So these are all unforgettable moments. In Marathi, what do we say? Unforgettable means अविस्मरणीय. ओके, की जे क्षण आपण त्या ठिकाणी विसरू शकत नाही. सो इट इज कॉल्ड अनफॉरगेटेबल मुमेंट. सो ऑल दीज आर अनफॉरगेटेबल मुमेंट्स फॉर that Raman here. Okay, so this summer vacation has added so many colorful memories to my life here. So again he writes here about the summer vacation. Okay, so summer vacation, what does it mean? Summer vacation. Okay, summer holidays here. So vacation means holidays here, sutte. Okay, so this summer vacation has added means what? Added means what? Added means बर घालणे. Okay, so this summer vacation, this summer holidays has added so many colorful memories. You know memories memories आठवणी. Okay, so all those, so here this summer vacation has added so many colorful memories in which life, in whose life? To Raman's life here. Okay, so that's why he writes here this summer vacation. So he had summer holidays, he had summer vacation, and he spent all those summer vacation uh, at Sagroli here. So therefore, this summer vacation has added so many colorful memories in Raman's life here. Okay, Sanju Mama, I really miss Sagroli. Okay, in the last line from the first para here, he writes about here. So here he says, Sanju Mama, I really miss Sagroli. Okay, so he cannot forget those colorful memories that he spent. He spent all his summer vacation, all his summer holidays at Sagroli here, and so those moments were wonderful, unforgettable moments. Those were unforgettable moments there, and he cannot forget those moments in his life. So therefore, this summer vacation added so many colorful memories in Raman's life, and therefore he writes here, Sanju Mama, I really miss Sagroli here. Okay, so this is the first paragraph of the letter here. Okay, so before going to see the second paragraph of the letter, so let me ask you a few questions on the first paragraph here. Okay, try to answer those questions here. So who reached Hingoli? Okay, okay. Who lives Hingoli? Raman lives Hingoli. Okay. Next question. Next question, that is, where did Raman reach? Huh? Hingoli. Very good. Next question is here. So how? Listen to me. Next question. How were the days that Raman spent at Sagroli? Wait. Yeah, yeah. Are you getting my question? What I'm saying here? How were the days that Raman spent at Sagroli? The days were wonderful. Okay. Next question. So how were the moments? How were the moments? Forgettable or unforgettable? Unforgettable moments. Yeah. Now, what is the opposite of unforgettable? What is the opposite of unforgettable? Huh? Forgettable. Very good. Hmm. Okay. So, who missed really Sagroli? Okay. 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 Next question is, what did that summer vacation add? What did summer vacation add in Raman's life here? Okay, okay. So this summer vacation. Wait. Okay. I hope all of you understood the first paragraph of the letter. Okay. Have you got it? Okay. Now let's move on to the second paragraph of the letter. Yeah. Yeah. Balaghat. Bal Hills. like the pronunciation of that word is okay, so now students, in the second paragraph that Raman writes about, so how did he enjoy or what did he enjoy at Sagroli here? So he is writing all those things in the second paragraph here. Okay, so let's see the second paragraph of the letter here. At Sagroli, that Raman says here, at Sagroli, I enjoyed swimming in the Manjra river. Okay, so there was a Manjra river at Sagroli, and he enjoyed swimming in that Manjra river. Okay, so enjoy means what? Enjoy means what? आनंद घेतला. Okay, so that Raman, listen to me. Okay, okay. आनंद घेणे किंवा मज्जा करणे. Okay, so now here at Sagroli, so there was a Manjra river. So what is the name of river? What is the Manjra river? Okay, okay. Okay, enough. Okay, so here that Raman writes here, so he enjoy swimming in the Manjra river. Swimming means what? To swim means pone. Okay, so that okay, so when that Raman was spending his summer vacation at Sagroli, so there was a Manjra river, and what did he do there? So he enjoyed swimming in that Manjra river and then playing with Tejas and Avdut on its banks. Okay, okay. After that, so here after swimming in that Manjara river, so what did that Raman do here? So he was playing or he played with Tejas and Avdut on its banks. Banks means what? Banks means shaka. Okay. Another meaning of wait. On its banks. Banks म्हणजे काय? So what is the another meaning of this word here? Banks म्हणजे काय? नदीचा जो काही काठ असतो बघा, नदीचा काठ. The river has two banks. दोन काठ असतात की नदीला, बरोबर आहे की नाही? Two sides of the river is called banks here. Okay, so after enjoying swimming in that Manjara river, then that Raman he played with Tejas and Avdut where on its banks. Okay, मग त्या नदीमध्ये त्याने त्या ठिकाणी पोहण्याचा आनंद घेतला. एवढंच नव्हे तर तेजस आणि अवधूत यांच्याबरोबर त्याने काय केलं की त्या ठिकाणी तो या नदीच्या काठावरती खेळला देखील. Here you can see in this picture. Here you can see this picture how that Raman played with that Tejas and Avdut on its banks. Okay, and then again he writes the next thing that he has done there at Sagroli here. Okay, and then going on on going long walks through the Balaghat hills. Okay, so there was a hills. So what is the name of that hill? Balaghat. Balaghat. Okay. So you know hill means what? Hill means what? Hill means what? Yeah, small mountain we can say. Okay. L- Okay, let me explain you. Where listen to me here. Small hills means what? We can say small mountain here. Okay. So after that, so he went on long walk. He went on long walks through that Balaghat hill. So it's the name of that hill. Okay. And after playing with Tejas and Avdut on the banks of that Manjra river, then he went on long walk through that Balaghat hills here. And then again he writes here, riding a buffalo on the way back home. Okay, so when after enjoying all these things over there, so when he went back home, so that time, so she was riding a buffalo. Okay, by sitting on the back of that buffalo. Okay, so here you can see in this picture how that Raman sat on the back of that buffalo here. Okay, riding a buffalo. Riding a buffalo means what? Riding a buffalo. To ride means काय? Ride means what? सवारी करणे किंवा स्वार होणे. Okay, so he also enjoy. Listen to me. He also wait. He also enjoy a buffalo riding there. Okay, so on the way back home. Okay, so when he was coming back home, so that time he was riding a buffalo there, and after that he writes here, I felt like the king of Sagroli. Okay, and here he writes here, so he felt that Raman felt that here he was the king of Sagroli, and he felt like that the king of Sagroli. So he was considering here, or he considered here, so he felt like the king of सग्रोली. जणू काही मी त्या सग्रोलीचा राजा झाल्यासारखं त्याला त्या ठिकाणी काय होत होतं, वाटत होतं. सो व्हेन ही वॉज रायडिंग अ बफॅलो ऑन द वे बॅक होम, सो दॅट टाईम that Raman felt like the king of Sagroli here. Okay, so can you tell me how did somebody's microphone is on, so please turn off your microphone. So when how did Raman enjoy at Sagroli? So can you tell me one by one all those things here? Yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is the okay, good. Next one. Hmm? Yeah, next thing. Who is asking this about tiffin box? What's your name? Okay, I will inform you later ना about. Just focus on your study here. Okay, नंतर सांगतो मी तुम्हाला. Okay, so he enjoyed all these things at Sagroli here. So swimming in the Manjara River, playing with Tejas and Avdut on the banks of Manjara River, then going on a long walk through that Balaghat hills, then riding a buffalo on the way back home. So he enjoyed all these things at Sagroli here. So therefore, he has mentioned all these things in the second paragraph of the letter. Have you got about the second paragraph here? Okay, so let me ask you a few questions on the second paragraph here of the letter here. So, who enjoy swimming in the Manjara River? Raman. Okay. So, where did listen to me? Where did Raman enjoy swimming? In the Manjara River. Okay. So, what is the name of that river? What is the name? Manjara. So, where was? Listen to me. Okay, okay. So, where was that Manjara River? At Sagroli here. So, with whom? Listen to me. Listen to me. Hingoli or Sagroli? Sagroli. Okay. Next question is with whom Raman played on the banks of Manjara River? Avdut. So where did? Next question. Where did? Listen to me. Wait, 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 wait. So where did Raman play with Tejas and Avdut? Where did? On the banks of? Hmm, hmm. Wait, 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 wait. Shevale, 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 Shevale. Stop it. Okay. Next question here. Where did Raman go for long walk? Okay. So Balaghat Hill. Okay. So who felt like the king of Sagroli? Raman. Okay. Next question. Next question. What did Raman feel like? What did Raman feel like? So he felt like the king of Sagroli here. So I hope all of you understood the second paragraph of the uh, letter here. Wait, 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 wait. Okay. So can you tell me the word? Listen to me. Can you tell me the word from the second paragraph that ends with ed? Can you tell me the words from second paragraph? Enjoyed. Very good. Okay. And the word that and the word. Listen to me. The words end with ing. Can you tell me the words that swimming, playing, going, riding? Okay, so l- okay, okay, okay. So all these words end with. Okay, enough. Okay, so now let's move on to the third paragraph. Okay, so who will read the third paragraph from you? Yash, Yash Nikam, Yash Nikam, Yash Nikam, Yash Nikam. Can you hear me? Yeah, Yash. Wait. Yes. Listen to me. The pronunciation of this word is amrus. Yeah, yeah. Read it. S- Wadi is is incomparable. The pronunciation of this word is incomparable. Bound. The pronunciation of this word is bound. Chum in library. Forward. Sagra. Okay. Okay, so now let's see the third paragraph of the letter. So what does that Raman write in this third paragraph of the letter here? Okay, so now students here, if you observe the first line, then you will find. So he writes or he mentions here about the lunch. You know, lunch means what? Lunch means Jevan. But which time? Lunch. Duparta Jevan. Okay, so here that lunch. Wow. Okay, दुपारचं जेवण. Lunch means दुपारचं जेवण. Okay, so that lunch, wow, amras with kurdai, papadya, and kanda bhaji. Okay, so students, he writes about the lunch here. So how was that lunch? So it was a tasty and delicious lunch here. Okay, that he served at Sagroli here. Okay, so that lunch, wow, amras with kurdai, papadya, and kanda bhaji. So he enjoyed that lunch here. So what did he eat in that lunch, in that lunch here? So he enjoy amras with kurdai, papada, and kanda bhaji. So students, look at these words. So these words are called non-English words. Do you know what is mean by non-English words? No. Okay, so these words are called non-English words. Amras, kurdai, papada, and kanda bhaji. Okay, so these are Marathi words we can see here. Okay, and these words don't have any specific or particular English word. So therefore, such words are called non-English words. Okay, are you getting what I'm saying here about all these words here? So these words are called non-English words. So why these words are called non-English words? Because these words don't have. Wait, Shevale. Wait. So these words, listen to me, these words don't have a specific or particular English word. So therefore, these words are called non-English words here. Okay. Ambras with kurdai, papada, and kanda bhaji. Okay. And then again, he writes here about Mira Mami. So Mira Mami is a great cook. Mira Mami is a great cook, a master chef. You know, master chef means what? Master chef. Master chef means we can say here मुख्य आचार्य त्याला आपण म्हणतो. Okay, so he is writing about Mira Mami. So Mira Mami is a great cook. Mira Mami is a great cook. So Mira Mami is expert to prepare a delicious dishes here. So therefore he writes about Mira Mami. Mira Mami is a great cook here, a master chef. And then again he writes about Ajit Srikhanda Vadi. So how is Ajit Srikhanda Vadi? So he writes about Ajit Srikhanda Vadi is incomparable. Incomparable means that we cannot compare here. So that is called incomparable. Okay. So therefore, he enjoy also that Ajit Srikhanda Vadi, and he writes about Ajit Srikhanda Vadi. So Ajit Srikhanda Vadi is incomparable. Okay. So how I enjoy reading the bound volumes of Kishore, Champak, and Kumar in Kaka Azoba's library. So there was a library in that at Sagroli here, and the name of that library is Kaka Azuba. Okay, and he enjoy the reading bound volumes of Kishore, Champak, and Kumar. So students, these are the books which are published for especially for children here. Okay, Kishore, Champak, and Kumar. So these are the names of books here. Okay, and that Raman, he enjoy reading in that Kaka Azuba's library here, and he reads these bound volumes, these books in that Kaka Azuba's library, and the names of those books are here: Kishore, Champak, and Kumar. So these are the names of books here. So enjoy reading in that Kaka Ajoba's library. And then again he writes here, I'm looking forward to my visit to Sagroli next year. So he's looking forward. So he's waiting for the next year, and he wants to go. He wants to visit that Sagroli again next year. So therefore, he is looking forward. He's looking forward to his visit. Visit means what? Visit means what? भेंट देने. Okay, so he's looking forward to his visit to Sagroli next year. So he's waiting for the next year. So when the next year will come, and when he will visit to that Sagroli here. So therefore he's waiting there, and he is looking forward to his visit to that Sagroli next year. And in the concluding line here, he writes here, so give my regards to Aji Ajoba, Raju Mama, Shaila Mami, Mira Mami. Okay, so these are all the members of Sanju Mama's family here. Okay, so therefore he writes here in the concluding line here, so give my regards. Regards means what? Regards means what? आठवण किंवा शुभेच्छा आपण त्याला म्हणतो, शुभेच्छा किंवा शुभचिंतन. सो गिव्ह माय रिगार्ड्स टू आजी आजोबा, राजू मामा, शैला मामी, मीरा मामी. सो हू आर all these? So these are all the family members of Sanju Mama's family here. So therefore here in the concluding line that Raman writes here, so give his regards to Aji, Azoba, Raju Mama, Shaila Mami, Mira Mami. Okay, and then again he writes about love and best wishes to Tejas and Avdut here. So love and best wishes to Tejas and Avdut here. Okay, and at last he writes here, yours lovingly, yours lovingly, and then he writes his name here at the end here. And then again, so PS stands for here. Look at this word here. PS stands for postal stamp here. So what is the meaning of this PS? PS stands for postal stamps. Okay, so here with this letter here, so he's sending two postal stamps for Tejas and a matchbox cover for Avdut for their collections. Okay, so that Tejas and Avdut, they are collecting something here. So therefore that Raman, he to send means what? Pathavne. Okay, so he is sending two postal stamps for whom? Kunala? Tejas, and a matchbox cover for Avdut here. For what? For their collections here. Okay, so with this letter she is sending two postal stamps and a matchbox cover for their collections here. So that Tejas, he is collecting postal stamps, whereas that Avdut, he is collecting a matchbox cover. So therefore here that Raman, he sends two postal stamps for Tejas and a matchbox cover for Avdut for their collections here. Okay, so students, in this way that Raman has written this letter to his Sanju Mama who lives in Sagroli here. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this letter here. Okay, so now let me ask you a few questions here. Okay, so what did Raman eat in that lunch here? Can you tell me? Hmm. Okay. 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 Enough. Okay. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. Okay. So how is okay, enough. How is Mira Mami? How is Mira Mami? Great cook. A master chef. Okay. Who is a great cook? Who is a great cook? Who is a great cook? Mira. Hmm. Okay. Next question. Next question. Who's listen to me. Whose Srikhandavadi is incomparable? Ajay Srikhandavadi is Ajay Srikhandavadi is incomparable here. Okay. Next question is here. How is Ajay Srikhandavadi? How is Ajay Srikhandavadi? income. So can you, okay, so can you, okay, look at this word incomparable. So can you find out the smaller hidden words from this word incomparable? Yeah, yeah, yeah. In Yebel, very good. Uh, compare, comparable. Okay, so all these words are hidden. All these words are hidden in this word here. Okay. Next question. What? Listen to me. Next question is what did Kai? Okay, okay, okay. Next question is here. What did Raman read in Kaka Ajoba's library? What did what did what? Yeah. So he read the bound volumes of Kishore Champak and Kumar in Kaka Ajoba's library. So where did Raman read Kishore Champak and Kumar bound volumes? Okay, okay, okay. So now next question is here. What did Raman send to for Tejas? What did Raman send for Tejas? Two postal stamps. Okay. Next question. How many postal stamps? Listen to me. How many postal stamps did Raman send to Tejas here? Two. So what does PS stand for? What does PS stand for? Postal stamps here. Okay. So what did Raman send to Avdut here? Matchbox cover, not matchbox. Not only matchbox cover. Okay. Okay, so I hope students, all of you have understood and enjoy this study tour 1.4, a letter from Hingoli. Okay, so have you got or did you understand this lesson? Okay, so that's all for today's session here. I hope all of you have understood and enjoyed this study tour 1.4 here. So today I'm going to send you the video of pointers activity of this lesson here. So watch that video very carefully and complete all the activities from these pointers. Okay, you have to write all these activities in your notebook here. Okay, so that's all for today's session here. Thakre sir is connected with us. He is going to take your social science lecture. Thakre sir, wait. So you have to complete all these pointers activity. So I'm going to send you the video on WhatsApp group of this pointers activity. So watch that video carefully and then complete all the activities from these pointers in your notebook. So this is your today's homework. Okay, so that's all for today's session here. Thakre sir. Okay, so you can continue. Bye bye, have a nice day to all of you. Okay.